Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Jamaica Broilers Group has secured $15.1 billion in financing from NCB Capital Markets to help with its turnaround after an accounting scandal in its U.S. operations. This was after the company took the decision to strengthen its leadership, restore financial controls, engage auditors with specialized sector experience, and bring its U.S. operations under the direct supervision of the group's Jamaican-based leadership. The proposed solution from NCB Capital Markets includes $6.4 billion Jamaican dollars in loan from NCB Bank, in addition to NCB Capital Markets arranging for $8.7 billion Jamaican dollars in multi-tranche bonds extending up to 14 years. The NCB team also led negotiations with other domestic creditors of Jamaica Broilers in resetting financial covenants and modifying the collateral security package. This is expected to provide Jamaica Broilers with the stability and runway required to execute its recovery strategy, reinforce internal controls, and return its operations to sustainable performance while supporting continued growth of its local operations. The Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, PBCJ, has appointed former NCB Financial Group President and Chief Executive Officer Patrick Hilton as its new president. Mr. Hilton succeeds Metriciaga, who completed a 3-year term marked by strong private sector advocacy and institutional strengthening. The PBCJ says Mr. Hilton brings more than 3 decades of experience in banking and finance to the role. PBCJ Executive Director Sasha Vassiani Riley says Mr. Hilton's leadership and credibility across the private sector will be critical as the organization advances its advocacy agenda focused on productivity, competitiveness, and sustainable growth. For the trading period of January 14, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 6,265,912 units, representing 23.49% of market sales activities. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited with 4,649,996 units, representing 17.43% of market sales activities. Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 3,230,992 units, representing 12.11% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, advertising, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for January 14, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. In the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.71 and buying at $156.93. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 52 cents transaction spread. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.13 and was bought for $113.61. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.71 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $213.12 and was bought for $209.94. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For the credit report tip of the day, luxury real estate is more than a transaction. It represents safety, legacy, and the life you've worked toward. Whether you're buying from the diaspora, securing a home for retirement, or daring to pursue a property you once believed was beyond reach, your credit report becomes the quiet voice speaking on your behalf. It tells lenders whether you manage pressure with confidence, honor commitments over time, and are ready for the responsibility that comes with owning something extraordinary. When your credit reflects intention and care, doors open, not just to property, but to the future you've been preparing for. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward.